Hey beautiful people, welcome to Tech Gan Unlimited. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss computer technician questions and answer along with solutions. These questions are from an exam conducted by the Civil Service Hospital, that is Nizamati Karmachari Hospital. This exam took place on 2080 Bhadra 21. Before starting this video, remember to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Question number 1. Which of the following is the most common internet protocol? Option A, PPP. Option B, FTP. Option C, TCP/IP. Option D, SMTP. Correct answer is option C, TCP/IP. A framework of policies and technologies is known as management. Option A, identity. Option B, host based. Option C, digital right. Option D, life cycle. Correct answer is option A. A framework of policies and technologies is known as identity management. IDS stands for option A, interruption detection system. Option B, intrusion detection system. Option C, invasion detection system. Option D, incident detection system. Correct answer is option B. IDS stands for intrusion detection system. 2FA stands for option A, two-form access. Option B, two-factor access. Option C, two-factor authentication. Option D, two-form authentication. Correct answer is option C, two-factor authentication. Which of the following is not a cyber security threat? Option A, malware. Option B, man in the middle. Option C, denial of service. Option D, AES. Correct answer is option D, AES. Which of the following is not required during requirement engineering? Option A, analysis. Option B, elicitation. Option C, design. Option D, documentation. Correct answer is design. Agile software development model is based on ... development. Option A, linear. Option B, incremental. Option D, option C, iterative. Option D, both B and C. Correct answer is option C. Agile software development model is based on iterative development. In software engineering, the term CMM stands for option A, capability maturity model. Option B, computational maturity model. Option C, competence maturity model. Option D, capacity maturity model. Correct answer is option A, capability maturity model. RAD stands for option A, rigorous application development. Option B, reliable application development. Option C, rapid application development. Option D, realistic application development. Correct answer is option C, that stands for rapid application development. Chairman of NITC is option A, Minister of Communication and Information Technology. Option B, Secretary of Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. Option D, Chief Secretary. Option D, Deputy Prime Minister. Correct answer is option A. Chairman of NITC is Minister of Communication and Information Technology. One of the goal of ICT policy 2072 is to make ... percent of people digitally literate by 2020. Option A 60, option B 65, option C 75, option D 90. Correct answer is option C 75%. Which of the following is not correct goal of ICT policy 2072 of Nepal? Option A, 75 of Nepali will be digitally literate by 2020. Option B, 90% of people shall have access to the broadband services by 2020. Option C, all Nepali will have access to internet by 2020. Option D, 90% of government services will be online by 2020. Correct answer is option D, 90% of government service will be online by 2020. As per ITERT Operation and Management Directive, the emergency response team is located in which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Home Affairs. Option B, Ministry of Education, Science and Technology. Option C, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. Option D, Ministry of Defense. Correct answer is option C, Ministry of Communication and Information Technology. How many characters are represented by ASCII 8? Option A, 127. Option B, 128. Option C, 255. Option D, 256. Correct answer is option D, 256. The process of producing useful information for the user is called? Option A, controlling. Option B, outputting. Option C, inputting. Option D, processing. Correct answer is option B, outputting. Which of the following has the fastest SS time? Option A, SSD. Option B, RAM. Option C, ROM. Option D, CPU register. Correct answer is option D, CPU register. There are three elements of communication systems. Two are transmitter and receiver. What is the third one? Option A, protocol. Option B, channel. Option C, space. Option D, periphery. Correct answer is option B, channel. The term used with memory of computer is DDR4. DDR stands for option A, designated data rate, option B, defined data rate, option C, double data rate, option D, dedicated data rate. Correct answer is option C, double data rate. HDMI 2.1 version supports up to ... resolution. Option A, HD, option B, 4K, option C, 8K, option D, 16K. Correct answer is option C, 8K. HDMI 2.1 version supports up to 8K resolution. What are the most common data backup types? Option A, full backup, option B, incremental backup, option C, differential backup, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. These all are the most common type of data backup system. Point out the connector that transmits both audio and video. Option A, BNC, option B, HDMI, option C, RJ45, option D, DVI. Correct answer is option B, HDMI. Where is BIOS stored? Option A, CPU, option B, RAM, option C, ROM, option D, hard drive. Correct answer is option C, ROM. FAT stands for option A, file access table, option B, file allocation table, option C, file activity table, option D, file accommodation table. Correct answer is option B, file allocation table. Device driver requires option A, register, option B, main memory, option C, disks, option D, cache. Correct answer is option C, disks. To eliminate unnecessary fragments and rearrange files and unused disk space to optimize operation is option A, restore, option B, disk scan, option C, disk defragmenter, option D, disk cleanup. Correct answer is option C, disk defragmenter. Which of the following file system is not supported by Windows operating system? Option A, exFAT, option B, FAT32, option C, NTFS, option D, NTFS32. Correct answer is option D, NTFS32. What is the number of layers in the OSI model? Option A 2, option B 4, option C 7, option D 9. Correct answer is option C 7. Which of the following is an unreliable and connectionless protocol? Option A TCP, option B UDP, option C FTP, option D HTTP. Correct answer is option B UDP. In topology, every node has a dedicated point link to all nodes within the network. Option A star, option B bus, option C ring, option D mesh. Correct answer is option D. In mesh topology, every node has a dedicated point link to all the nodes within the network. A network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on security policies is called option A access point, option B router, option C firewall, option D controller. Correct answer is option C firewall. Which of the following is lowest in memory hierarchy? Option A secondary memory, option B registers, option C RAM, option D cache memory. Correct answer is option A secondary memory. The 8085 microprocessor has address bus of length option A 8, option B 12, option C 16, option D 20. Correct answer is option C 16. What is used to increase the apparent size of physical memory? Option A disk, option B hard drive or hard disk, option C virtual memory, option D secondary memory. Correct answer is option C virtual memory. Is the average time required to reach a storage location in memory and obtain its contents? Option A latency, option B turnaround time, option C response time, option D access time. Correct answer is option D access time. Which of the following defines the structure of schema in the database? Option A data definition language, option B data manipulation language, option C data control language, option D data structuring language. Correct answer is option A data definition language. Group by statement can be used with ... function. Option A count, option B sum, option C ABG, option D all of the above. Correct answer is option D all of the above. Select the correct order of keyword for SQL select statements. Option A select, comma where, comma from. Option B select, comma from, comma where. Option C from, comma select, comma where. Option D from, comma where, comma select. Correct answer is option B select, comma from, comma where. The objective of normalization is to ... data duplication. Option A eliminate, option B reduce, option C increase, option D maximize. Correct answer is option B reduce. The objective of normalization is to reduce data duplication. How do you present slideshow from current slide? Option A F5, option B Shift plus F5, option C Alt plus F5, option D Control plus F5. Correct answer is option B Shift plus F5. A portion of a document where one can set certain page formatting options as default is option A page setup, option B page, option C paragraph, option D section. Correct answer is option D section. Which of the following is the file extension of the PowerPoint application? Option A .ppt, option B .jpg, option C .html, option D .docs. Correct answer is option A .ppt. In spreadsheet, shortcut key to use to open tab is option A Ctrl plus S, option B Ctrl plus M, option C Ctrl plus O, option D Ctrl plus T. Correct answer is option C Ctrl plus O. Which symbol is used for absolute cell reference? Option A dollar, option B percentage, option C hash, option D ampersand. Correct answer is option A dollar. The feature of OOP is exhibited by the function overriding. Option A polymorphism, option B abstraction, option C inheritance, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A polymorphism. A POP operation is performed on an empty stack. What is the condition called? Option A, overflow. Option B, underflow. Option C, syntax error. Option D, garbage collection. Correct answer is option B, underflow. Which of the following is the correct syntax for array initialization in C? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Correct answer is option C. Which one of the following is a loop construct that will always be executed once? Option A, do while. Option B, for. Option C, while. Option D, switch. Correct answer is option A, do while. A web server delivers web pages on the request of client using option A, FTP. Option B, SMTP. Option C, ICMP. Option D, HTTP. Correct answer is option D, HTTP. A web server delivers web pages on the request of client using HTTP protocol. On which model is www based upon? Option A, client server. Option B, local server. Option C, 3-tier. Option D, peer-to-peer. Correct answer is option A, client server. What are the basic features of a CMS, that is content management system? Option A, content creation. Option B, content storage. Option C, workflow management. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above.